Here is a really beautiful hotel here in Valladolid. It is the Ecotel. I'm going to give you a sneak preview. So look at even the beautiful entrance gates of this hotel as you enter. And look at the bushes and the beautiful palm tree over there. Now I'm walking, so the picture is not going to be that smooth, but I just wanted to give you an idea of the beauty of some of these places, because here in Valladolid, everything really, the best places are behind gates, like the one here. So that is kind of one of the things about this town that you don't know unless you've kind of spent a considerable amount of time here and you've visited many of these places. So you see, these are kind of little suites on top of each other, and you get a better idea here. So it's kind of built more like a kind of a luxury condo, and you see 1, 2, and 3 levels high, and every place here is very, very nice. And then you have parking, and you have these beautiful stones here. And you've got the workers, the collecting garbage and things like that. And you can see here you've got all these beautiful plants growing here. And we're just going to walk forward a little bit, just so you can see. And you've got these gorgeous, do you see? Everything is kind of like a beautiful garden here. And you don't hear anything but really the birds. And here in the back you've got these gorgeous high palm trees. There we go. So that is just a sneak peek at some of the real beauty here in Valladolid. Now, if you want to book this, you can actually book it online. So here you can see the inside of kind of the hotel, and we have beautiful colors here. And I'm now walking, you can see here another part. So I'm now walking toward the rental office because I want to show everybody where the office is here, because it's kind of hidden. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at the reflection of everything in the floor. It's great. Muy bien. Tennis? Yep.
Tennis, okay, cool.
Es gratis para gestos. Yeah. There is a tennis court. Okay, at this point I ran out of memory on my phone, but here is a beautiful picture of the swimming pool at this gorgeous hotel, and here is a photo of one of the bedrooms. So if you'd like to book this hotel, please use the booking link below the video. See you in the next one. Shop new items, huge selection, up to 70% off. All beautiful and top quality. Flash deals, link is below the video. Also join the movement Wear a t-shirt or baseball cap or use a phone case. Stop polluting. Join the movement today.